Oh. Yeah.
What happened? Oh, I know. I saw. You know, they're trying to go do that. Yeah. I hear people in there. I hear someone in there.
Hello, come over here to the other side.
Hi, Goro.
I found you.
They're taking a picture of everything?
Yeah, Papa, a little bit.
It looks pretty?
Yeah.
They're taking a picture of me. Ah! A picture! Stop!
Are you over there? All over there? I told him to go over there. Being cautious. You see why? I told him. Yeah. He's gonna hit you. Hace para atrás te vas. Gordo, y vamos a colgar. This one's at 89%, this one's at 54, and the other one's at 30 something. Okay, that's fine. Whoa! Wow, you're strong. Okay, well, one just reach. Oh, just give one to the one that has the most. Whoa! Whoa! I like the sound of the water. Yeah, it sounds nice. Calming. That's why I told her by the water, but next time I know I'd rather do like one over there, like 18 or 19. In the middle? Like right here donde haya más trees, porque este está más open. I just like it that it's like right here, right in front. Or even that one's okay too.
Hi. Say hi. Vale, but slide.
Que fuimos a acampar con Rosa. No, imagínate. ¿Oíste que dijo que la arrolló el otro día? ¿A quién? ¿A Anel? Sebastian Anel, que se quedó dormido when he was talking. Oh, yeah. Oh, I forgot his name.
Oh, I thought she was talking about Abraham.
No, she was talking about Sebastian.
Where's Angel at? They still a bike?
The house?
Oh.
This reminds me of IKEA. I like IKEA a lot. Whenever we go to IKEA. David.
A ver, pero ya así sale, mira. You see, you see, you see, you see, you see, see, yeah. There you go, there you go, there you go. You see? Hey, but it worked.
Morning.
Morning.
Aquí nomás se le hace
No, Nos dejaron dormir los babies.
Era su cosa. You fishing, gordo? Yeah. Hey, wait, say hi, grandma. Hi, grandpa. Hey, wave. Say hi. Apenas se despertó. Ya quiere pescar. Sasquatch. Ay. You didn't get in the water? You didn't get a worm, Papa. Put it on the thing to fish. You gotta get the worm to fish. You get roly polies. You get roly polies. See, look.
Oh,
Dad, it's coming out. Dad.
Oh, and then right here, watch, gordo. See? There you go. Now we ready to fish. Okay. Right.
Now.
Okay, avienta el ancho. Yeah, careful. Whoa. Careful. Hard. Hey, wait. There.
Is that already?
Okay, lázalo al gordo que lo agarre.
So you're gonna fish with a worm now.
Like fishing? Basket?
You like fishing, Papa? And the one that would have taken him a lot fishing would be my dad, you know, if he would be alive. My dad loved fishing.
Where would you go fishing around?
All over the place over there. There's all these little lakes and even. You caught a rock.
Llévatela. Aguas.